Hi class, in this video I will show you how to work on each topic page in each module. Like earlier we say, in each module we have different assignments. From the overview you can see all the assignment list, and also we have suggested schedule for you to pace yourself to complete all the assignment. And also we talk about what the requirement for each discussion topic. Here you can see in each module, I divide couple topic according to the module content. So in each topic page, we talk about different important concepts for this module. So for example, in module 0, we have topic 1, talk about divisibility, and topic 2, talk about fraction and order operation. Most of time, followed by each topic page, we'll have the self-review. So each self-review to help you to evaluate how much you learn and how well you learn from the topic page. So here I want to show you as the topic 3, decimal and percentage as the example to show you how you should work on the topic page. After you click on the topic page, you will see the first paragraph I will overview to talk about what content we will include in this topic. So in this topic, we will talk about how to convert between decimal and percentage. So about the decimal, first paragraph will briefly to talk about the definition about decimal, and the important concept or formula also will summarize in this paragraph. So of course, this page is not enough for all our content for the lecture. So here, you should download my lecture file for PDF in PDF format for the decimal. So after you click on the link for the lecture file, so you will right away download the PDF file. So no matter you use a Mac or Windows system, you should view the lecture file without problem. So in the lecture file, we will including the definition and the concept for a corresponding topic, and also we will including couple example and the practice question help you to, after you follow to understand the definition, you will have some example to practice. So for example, if you want to convert 17.77 to fraction, you just according to, you have 2 decimal places, so you add 2 zeros at the end as a fraction. So here is the lecture file. So that's why the lecture file including the most important content for each topic. So you have to go through each lecture file and also work on each question in the lecture file. So sometimes the lecture file for some students, maybe they don't feel it's enough because that's all the wording and without people to explain. So to help you to learn better, after each lecture file, I also including some link for the video, for the live video from Khan Academy. So you can click on each link. They will right away direct you to the Khan Academy page. The video, so you can click on that and watch the live video, for example. So my lecture file and Khan Academy video can help you to learn better. And also if you want to refer to more information, the third part also I have the textbook reference to show you in this decimal section where you can find that in our textbook. So that's the most important thing, how you should learn from each topic. Besides the summary from the topic page, you have the lecture file, you have the Khan Academy live video, and also you have the reference from the textbook. So the same thing for the decimal topic, for the percentage topic, the same thing, you have the PDF file, the lecture file can go through, and also you have the Khan Academy video to go through, and also I have the reference for the textbook. Whenever you finish the topic, each topic, you go through the lecture file and also the video. You can right away go to the self-review to help you to learn. So the self-review, like earlier I said, self-review like your homework. After you go through each topic page, I highly recommend you to right away go to the self-review, so you can right away to see how much you understand. And also, like I say, self-review like the homework, so it's no time limit. It's no time limit. And also, before you start the self-review, please read very carefully for the instruction. So total, most of time, each self-review is 20 points. So most of the time we have 10 practice questions. So the total point is 20 points. And you have 3 attempts to complete this self-review. And also, each self-review is no time limit. Since self-review is homework, so I will recommend you to work with your classmates if you have any trouble to understand by yourself. You also can go to the G-Lab to ask for tutor help. Because like I say, self-review is homework. Homework, you have many resources. You can refer to the textbook. You can discuss with your classmates. You even can get help from the tutor. So that's why self-review I allow 3 times attempt. So you can, if the first time you don't think that you do well, you can take the second time or the third time to raise up your grade. And the most important thing is, here you see that take the quiz, just because the Canvas we consider that's the text, the quiz format, but here is the self-review. So that's, for example, we take the self-review 2. Okay, so here you have 10 questions. So there's no time limit, and also I remember you don't have to save. Once you type your answer, so right away the system save for you. Okay, so here, for example, we don't do each question. Just for example, convert to the percentage 0.0024. We move 2 decimal place to the right, so become 0.24%. Okay, so if you're done with the self-quiz, the self-review, you can submit the quiz. Here I want to show you what you will see after you submit your quiz. So after you submit, right, so the system, if we don't have access question, the system will automatically grade for you. But some question in the future module, I will talk about that later. They cannot automatically grade, so I need to review first before your final grade will be posted. But most important thing here, I want to show you after you submit, you can view your previous attempts. Like earlier I said, self-review is homework. You can refer to your textbook, you can discuss with your classmates, work with tutor, and also here you can study by yourself as well. Why? After you submit your self-review, each question I have the solution here. So if you don't know how to change the decimal from percentage, so here I show you percentage, you just times 0.01. That means you drop the percent notation and move decimal 2 digits to the left. So each question, if you got that wrong, even you got that right, we all have the solution on the end of each question. So that can help you to learn better. So if you are not satisfied with your first attempt, you can always to do that again. So the maximum is 3 times. 3 times you can access to the self-review to raise up your grades. Okay, so that's the self-review. Okay, we still have 1 more minute, so let's talk about the quiz. So let's go back to the module page. For the module page, after each topic, you have the self-review. In the self-review, you have three attempts to raise up your grades. And also for each module, at the end, you have the quiz to evaluate your learning outcome. Quiz, for each quiz is 30 points. Most quiz is 15 questions. However, you only have 1 time to access your quiz. So once you start your quiz, you need to finish. So make sure you leave 19 minutes to complete your quiz. Not like later I will have lunch, then I leave. Please do not do that because the quiz only can access one time. So you have 30.90 minutes access one time for the quiz. So the same thing, most of the time the quiz, after you're done, the quiz will grade automatically. And also quiz, one thing is, you need to only work with yourself. You can use calculator, but you cannot discuss with your classmates or get help from the GE tutor. But after you submit your quiz, if you don't understand, definitely you can discuss with your classmates and work with tutor.